Nag-aayos po kami ng room. Hello po! Hello! Hi, Tinikon! Ako ang vloggers for today's video.
Kampet!
Ito ang cake, cupcake. Nicole and RR. Kuya Jobber na yan.
And these are the production crews.
Production cruise. Yan na po. Ito naman po ang aming mga musikero for today. Yan. Hila.
Hila! Lagay mo dyan. Yan! Nasira pa yung bante. Oh my God.
Inay, what do you feel right now?
Me? Excited!
Feeling gorgeous?
Feeling gorgeous?
Nakikimkim.
Pasensya na kayo, ha?
Mga madam! Kamusta? Aura pa kami, hindi pa kami naka-ready.
Hagardo pa, hagardo.
Kagardo pa. Ito ang aming bride today. Mother! Hello! Ang
Hi!
bride.
Busy.
Busy. May mga bisita. Nag-aayos na po sila, guys. So, ako lang mag-vlog for today's video. Charis!
Sweet. Hi, vlog. Ikaw naman. Nicole. Ma, babo.
Okay.
Guys. Wow, lechon. Lechon babo. Malinis ba dapat? Hindi.
Naayos na po namin yung bride. Hi, bride.
Bride daw. Ah, pa ako. Grabe.
So, before po yan, mamaya tignan natin after. Yung mga makeup artist po. So, taga-video lang ako dyan. Ito? Sige, guys.
Pwede sumali? Sige na po. Sige. Guys, kami dalawa mamaya ni ang nanay nyo. Cheers. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kumare, medyo ka dito pa.
Ano, mga pipulis?
Perfect.
Alis.
1, 2, 3. Okay, dalawa naman. Dali. Tapos na. Meron ako ba? Ay, sige naman. Lalaki mo na lalaki. Parang iba ako. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay, sweet. Before na lang nandito. Yan? Anak namin mamaya. Naging babae na yung anak nila. Bigla may bakla na din yan. Bakla na. Tapos sinadaling bakla na. Uy, sample naman! Naging babae na yung anak nila.
Uy, ano naka-vlog ba yan? Happy anniversary, Kuya Will. Ninang Maricaro. I love you.
Oh, taray.
Wait lang, ulit.
Welcome to the vlog. Charot.
Parang ang itim ko naman dyan.
Is the lighting. Naka-aura na kami guys, so okay na. Oh.
Ulit.
Ano ba yan? Hey guys, hi vlog. Ready na po kami. Nakabihis na and kain na soon. Charis, may program na. Si Nicole, si Chaska, and me. Mga magko-communion po guys. Wow, gold nails. Wow. Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Sama ko yun.
Indeed, today we will witness two people who never give up on each other as they celebrate their silver wedding anniversary, 25 years of love.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to celebration of Ronald and Maricar's silver wedding anniversary. I am Carl.
And I'm Nicole.
Get up! Yeah! Okay, let's go. Miss and Miss Maricar and Ronald, come
Okay, so may we call on Mr. Kevin Tonkin and let us all stand as the couple.
Hindi ko alam yun ah.
Ay, ko yan!
Oceans apart.
Iyak na yan!
If I see you next to never, then how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right
Happy anniversary, Tita Car and Tito Ronald.
praying for God to continue blessing you both and your marriage. I hope to see you soon. We hope to see you soon. Take care always, and we love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy anniversary!
Hello. Kumusta na kayo? And happy 25th anniversary in December na. And happy birthday sa'yo, Maricar. Hindi na more birthdays ko. And more blessings to come. And mag-ingat kayo lahat dyan. Lalo ngayon, medyo mahirap ang panahon natin. Kayo lang. Good luck.
Naluhan.
Bye.
That's my brother.
Birthday and happy anniversary and mga years to come sa inyo.
Hello sa inyo dyan, ate, kuya. Happy birthday, ate Car. Happy anniversary sa inyo na po, kuya. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa inyong asawa. Alam nyo na yun. Sana'y maging matatag rin kaming katulad niyo. Malampasan din namin lahat yung mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan niyo dalawa. At saka mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi. Yung mga bata. Yun lang. Thank you very much.
That's my brother.
I wish you all the best. Kung nangyayari sa inyo, sana lalaki ang ulam. Stay humble lang, mga bata. Ingat. Ito ang mga pray ka din. Para tayo magkakalaro. Mabilis na ako. 25 years na pala ako. Sana magpakalit ang mahabang haba. Ano lang mangyayari sa future, supportan mo lang mga magulang natin na alis mo na sila. Kayo lagi ang mag-iinit kasi salamat kami dyan. Thank you sa mga suporta, mga pag-aaral sa amin, tulong. Maraming salamat at hindi na ako magpo-comment. Hindi na rin ako magpapatawa.
Thank you.
Na lang. Wala
Happy
naman
birthday, ate, and happy anniversary.
Sana tumagal pa kami rin ng ganyan.
At ulit niyo.
Ulit nyo. At mabukasan na sana yung aming mga pagsunod sa buhay. Baga sa inyong dalawa, I wish you all the best. Happy anniversary and happy birthday, ate. Thank you.
Ate ko, That's my sister. Happy 25th anniversary sa inyo dalawa ng Kuya Pomit Marcho. Hindi natin akalain na aabot kayo ng ganyan sa tagal, 25 years. Sa sobrang dami ng problema ay nabot ko nung araw. Hanggang binuhos nila yung problema na yun para maging matatag ang pamilya niyo, para maging matatag ito sa inyo. At saksi ako doon sa mga problema na yun. Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Siyempre, ang wish ko sa inyo, always naman good health. Huwag kayo masyadong magpakayaman kasi baka mamaya makalimutan nyo na kami sa sarili. Saka huwag masyadong abuso sa katawan kasi baka mamaya maging sayang lang mga pinaghirapan. At sana sa paglipas ng panahon, maging matatag sa kayong lalo. mag-iingat kayo lagi ng mga bata dyan. Again, happy anniversary galing sa amin, dalawa na ito. And we love you. Bye!
Anniversary po. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi. Good health and God bless. Enjoy, Tita Car and Tita Ronald.
Ron's niece.
Hello, good afternoon. Happy Pamela, Maricas, at si Ronald. Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Stay sweet and loving. Yan. Basta lagi kayong magmahalan, tiwala sa isa't isa. Yan ang nagpapatibay ng pagsasama ng mag-asawa. Okay, happy anniversary. Tatay, happy anniversary.
All! Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo sana, magal pa, ang inyong pagsama na maligaya at masaya kayo ng lahat dyan.
Okay.
Araw kayo magbabago, yan lang. Happy anniversary ulit sa inyong dalawa.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ronald and Marican, happy 25th wedding anniversary. We wish you the most beautiful life ahead. At sana lahat ng mga problema o pagsubok ay inyong malampasan at humaba pa sana ang inyong mga buhay. At muli, happy 25th wedding anniversary. God bless. Hi! Hello! Ang bilis ng panahon.
Oo nga, hindi natin namalayan. Anniversary na pala ninyo.
Eto, dito kami sa likod para medyo iba naman ang background namin. Oo.
Kami natutuwa. Inabot niyo yung ganyang
Na bata pa kayo, nabot nyo yung 25 anniversary. Happy 25th anniversary sa inyo.
sa inyong dalawa.
Kumusta kayong lahat dyan?
We love you.
Bye-bye.
God bless you all. Lalo na sa inyong dalawa. Naway umabot pa kayo hanggang 50th golden wedding anniversary.
Okay, sige, bye-bye. Happy anniversary ulit. Bye-bye.
Mwah.
That's my mom and my dad. Happy anniversary sa inyo, Ronald. Sana mabait pa kayo ng mga
Sana magpadala kayo.
God bless. Sana makalimutin sa buhay at pangarap. Ayun. Salamat sa pagkakas.
Yan ang action natin.
Ayos.
Pero taga-Cagayan yan lang. Taga-Cagayan. Matagal na sila sa
Okay, that's it. Nice team. Yay! Okay, to my Itay and Inay, happy 25th anniversary po. You guys both know na mahal namin kayo. Thank you po for everything. Thank you po for all the sacrifices that you guys made for this family. You created the person we are today. You taught us so many things in life. And you taught us to appreciate small things, to keep going after failure, to be okay to fail, and most importantly, to love. You guys are always so proud of us, even small or big achievements. You both express your love for us and that you will always be there all the time, no matter what.
And we are very lucky to have you as our parents. We love you guys so much. Happy 25th anniversary.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming today for my parents' 25th silver anniversary. And if you don't know me, I'm the middle child, the least favorite. And all I want to say is I want to thank both of my parents for all the sacrifices that they give for us, not putting any pressure from elementary to college to be on the top. Thank you so much for your hard work. You've supported us in different ways, and I really appreciate how you help us grow in on what kind of person are we today. And well, my sister says everything now. I don't have anything on me, but I just want to say I love you very much, and more years to come and more kids. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm the last kid. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa aming tatlo. Thank you din po sa mga sakripisyo na ginawa nyo para po na ibigay at magkaroon kami ng ayos na buhay. I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you guys and how much I love you guys. Happy 25th anniversary, and I hope na ma-enjoy nyo po ito. I hope din na more anniversary to come, and may God bless all of you. Thank you, and I love you guys very, very so much.
Ashley to give a brief wish and message.
We've known, well, I've been married for probably 6 years. She's worked full-time in our home with our 5 kids. And our youngest daughter, Lainey, she's taken on as almost her own. Comes every week and helps us dust in our barn. They're an amazing couple. We love them unconditionally, and their love is so true. It's inspiring. We love you guys both, and thank you for everything you guys do for us.
I would like to thank everyone here for joining us today for this couple's special day. And to the lovely couple, Ronald and Maricar, it is an honor for us to be part of your milestone. Really, we love you guys. Thank you. I know we haven't been friends for a very long time, but I know in my heart that since the day we met, we knew and we have that exceptional connection. You know that, right? For us to become good friends. So to be exact, it's been 7 years. Today is May, but I don't remember the exact date, okay? But this year, that's for sure. Alright. So, since then, we prayed and shared good memories together and tears. As our husbands become friends, too, we see that our perfect. Right? You are the best couple friend I have, and it's breathtaking to witness a beautiful marriage between the two of you, Ronald and Maricar. Every couple has a strong, memorable, lovely, and special, but you will be my favorite story of the world. May God bless you with your memories abundantly, and may your bond continue to be testament to the power of beauty and love. Happy anniversary. Okay, so last but not the least, can I also call Dave? give a message and wish to the couple.
Labas lang naman may... malamig. Kasi mga idol ko na si Joseph Garcia. Paulo, wag kang makinig. Marites ka.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You've heard all the great side of this lady and her husband and all that. I'm going to tell you the other side. Some of the things that weren't so good. We got married. She came to the house one afternoon to clean the house.
Sabihin mo kay Ronald, pag yung mag-yosi, 25 pesos sila.
I'm talking to her for a few minutes, only to find out she's got 3 children.
Magbudot mo siya.
None of them are with her in Kingston. 3 of them are in the Philippines with their grandparents and father. And this lady is trying to make as much money as she can and not very much at all. Long story short, she's working 3 jobs. Marriott Hotel is one of them. Thank God, love the Marriott. They got great gifts. 3 jobs she's working, saving money, trying to save money but not saving money. That's where we stepped in, my wife and Diane and I, and said, this girl needs a little bit of help. Just a little bit. She doesn't need a lot, she just needs to push her in the right direction when the time says help. I'm not telling you I need help, but I know it. So, anyway, we got her squared around. She has 8 credit cards. Those 8 credit cards are in the safe and in our house on the other side of Kingston. That's what now, 6-7 years? She has not come back and asked for those cards. I'm pretty sure they're probably expired by now. Nonetheless, the lesson was, I'll get you out of debt, my wife and I. We won't give you the money, but we'll make sure you have access to it. She did, but I need your credit cards. That's why they're in our safe. So she takes the credit cards, that's it, we take her and get her to start saving some money. Very simple to save money, the amount of money she had. She went to the Philippines and partied like hell. She had 8 cards, she maxed all the cards out and come back and then I found her and said, what can you do to help me? I'm like, kick you in the butt right now. Let me credit cards, not paying them off, you can't do that. So, anyway, long story short, she gets the cards, or she gets to sit down talking to me about the cards. Here's the financial plan we're going to do for you. 10% of every dollar you make when you come home comes off the top. It doesn't come off the middle or the bottom or the car payment or the mortgage or the child or anything. It comes off of you. It goes in saving. If you get paid twice a month, that's a good deal of money. If you get paid 4 times a month, which some still do, you're saving money right there. Anyway, long story short, look at her. Look at all the friends she got. They're all here, all support her. Just absolutely incredible. She got herself out of debt. No problem at all. We ended up loaning her some money. And the deal was, you have to pay it back. Not a gift. So, when time come to pay it back, she said, well, I'll make a transaction in your bank account, and you can get the money there. I said, oh, no. That's not what I want. I want the cash in my hand. Not that it isn't good money, it is good money, but I need you to understand what you're putting in my hand belongs to you. And you had the opportunity to save it and give it to me. So you're going to remember that like the rest of your life. Anyway, she saved money, she got herself out of debt, she got a job, 3 jobs. Painting houses, Tim Hortons. God love Tim Hortons. I don't know how she works. She used to go to Tim Hortons on the base in Kingston at 8 o'clock at night or whatever her shift was. Anyway, she changed in the car. Put her Tim Hortons uniform on that. She'd come home at 12 o'clock at night and I'd be waiting for her. I made sure either myself or my wife Diane was up when she come home. Because after at midnight, She was a bag of freaking hammers by then. Tired, exhausted. All she wanted to do was get a little bit of something to drink and a little bit of a sandwich or something, so she could go to sleep and get up at 6 o'clock and go to the Marriott. I tell you, I've seen a lot of women struggle with a lot of things. If you're looking for a model to chase around, here it is right here. Never, rarely says no to anybody. 7 days before those 3 children arrived here in Kingston, we did not have an apartment for her. She never had a bed, she never had chairs, she had a teapot that we bought her, a Paderno teapot.
Pag nag-speech ako, bukas ang tapos niya.
Never had any of that 7 days before. We're driving around looking at places, but they're too expensive. Finally, click, got a hold of a friend of mine, said, look, we're in trouble, we need some help there. Give me a list, a name of a lady down by Kingston Penitentiary. Her husband had passed away a couple of months before in a big house. And so how we got, she walked in, the lady said to her, you can take anything you want, young lady, anything. And that house was nice. So we got beds, we got chairs, we got tables, we got... One place to another, she says somebody else. It all worked out really well. Anybody's got any opportunity to say thank you to this lady, please do. More than deserving of support. Thank you very
Sinabi
much.
sa amin ni Chris, puta nila, Singapore.
Once again, let's give them a round of applause. Best wishes to both of you, and how inspiring those words to hear from their sons and daughter, and of course from their best and close friends.
To serenade a couple, may we call Ate Friza to give us a song. Yeah, my dad requested this song. He really loves this song for me to sing, so yeah. Arizona sky, burning bright. You can leave, baby, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, the California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't
And of course, let us call the couple in the front for the traditional dance. Siyempre, di mo
Traditional.
Kayo ang magsasabi sa amin.
Papatay natin yung ilaw.
Boom.
Colors and promises. How to be brave. How can I love?
I would like to call Risa, Adrian, and Rafi.
Watching you stand alone. All of my doubt suddenly goes away. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away. Standing in front of me, every breath, every. I believed I would find you. Times brought heart to me. I loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
Ano ba yung ginawa natin? Asin. Martin, pwede.
You know, after getting married, you will actually say your vows to one another. So I think Kuya Ronald will go first.
Hindi ako prepared.
English!
Pero I'm trying to speak English because our Canadian friends here. My English is only for 2 minutes only. After 2 minutes,
Timer starts now!
yeah, thank you so much for being with me. I'm not a perfect husband, but I'm trying to be no, I'm not a perfect husband, but I'm trying to be a good, loving and responsible father and husband for you and for my kids. And I know that everything happened in our past years. Till now, we are strong because of love, trust, and especially because of our kids. I know it's hard to express our feelings, but I know in your heart that you know that I love you very much. I know you are my soulmate, and you are my forever. I love you very much.
Okay, I have to read it because I'm gonna mess it up. So, today marks a quarter of a century since we exchanged our vows.
can only promise one thing. It's to love you and understand until my last breath. I love you.
Wedding anniversary. To you guys, thank you again. And I would like to propose this toast for more years to celebrate and a lifetime of happiness and commitment. Cheers, everyone.
And of course, kiss!
And the life as one and a shared future for the years to come. It also symbolizes the couple's commitment to each other. So you have to feed each other after this. It's a girl!
It's a girl. Well, you're gay. Oh, it's purple. It's Barney. Let's seal it with a sweet kiss. Kuya and Ate, if you could give our guests a sweet kiss. Isa pa! One more! Yeah! Napapasano all na lang?
Yeah.
Sa English?
Over
oh.
here.
Oh.
Here.
English daw eh. It's a girl. Baby crib. Wow.
Okay, so it's here. Yeah.
Ito yung saksakan ng ganda.
So we just want to show everybody the gift. I'm not sure. Pero turn it on.
Ipaikot niyo daw po sa napali.
You have to turn. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, kiss again.